if you are users from Solis Home and Solis Pro originally. When first time using SolisCloud platform, you can simply input the account and password for Solis Home and Solis Pro to log in. In order to maintain the consistency of the data, it will create the same account password data as the old platform. Solis Home Solis Pro data will be synchronized within 2 hours. If you already registered new account in SolisCloud and you want to migrate the old data under Solis Home and Solis Pro, select Me at the bottom and enter Tools page. Then select Data Migration. If you have Solis Home account, please select Home. If you have Solis Pro account, please select Professional. Then fill in your account and password for your Solis Home Solis Pro. Then select Start Migration to send the application for data migration. Your data will be migrated to SolisCloud in 2 hours. For further help, please contact Solis Official After Sales Service Department.